Friends, let's see how a pizza is made. The ingredients are maida 1 cup, butter 2 tablespoons, salt, sugar 1 tablespoon, yeast 1 teaspoon, onion, 1 tomato, 1/4 capsicum, pepper 1 to 2 teaspoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, chili powder half teaspoon, half onion, 1 tomato, 5 to 6 pods of garlic, and cheese. Let's see the process. Add 1 teaspoon yeast to lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon sugar. Set aside for half an hour. Now it has fermented. To maida, add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 2 tablespoon butter. Now add yeast water. Mix it well and make it into dough. You may apply some oil to your hands if required. Now close it and set it aside for 15 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let us make the pizza sauce. Add onion, tomato, garlic to the blender. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Let's blend this together. Now the blended mixture is ready. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the blended mixture to this. Stir well until you reach this consistency. This also removes the raw smell of the tomato. Now the pizza sauce is ready. Now turn off the flame. It's half an hour now. Let's see what happened to the dough. As you see, the dough has doubled in its size. Stretch and knead the dough for at least 5 minutes. Now the dough is ready. Preheat sand or salt in a tawa for 10 minutes. Now we'll make the pizza base with the dough. The amount of dough to be taken depends on how thick you want the base to be and also the size of the plate. Now let's grease the plate with butter. We'll transfer the pizza base to the greased plate. Press like this to make the edges thicker. With the help of a fork, prick some holes on the base to bake the pizza evenly. Now spread the pizza sauce on the pizza base. Now you may fill the pizza base with vegetables that you like. Grate some cheese on top of this. Add some butter to the edges so that after baking it, it becomes golden brown in color. Add powdered oregano. In case if you don't have an oregano, look for a combination of chili flakes and pepper. Now the sand has heated up. Let's keep the plate like this. Now place the plate with pizza to be baked on top of this. Close the lid and bake it for half an hour. Let's open. Wow, it's fully baked. Our pizza is now ready to serve. If you like my recipe, do share it with your friends and families, and also if you are new to my channel, do press the subscribe button. More exciting videos are coming soon. Hope you enjoyed.